Good morning, students. So, I am clarifying one doubt of a student. So, the given question x minus y is equal to 4, xy is equal to 21, find x cube minus y cube. It is question. Okay, its answer how hard to do will go. So, x plus y whole square formula is x square plus 2xy plus y square. It is the formula for x plus y whole square. So what I am doing is, I am adding 2xy, I am subtracting 2xy. See, plus 2xy minus 2xy, these two will be cancelled or not? So the answer is x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. I am adding 2xy, I am subtracting 2xy. Its value does not change. Next what we have to do is x square, this minus 2xy right here. Minus 2xy plus y square. So this I written. What is remain here? Plus 2xy plus 2xy. Plus 2xy plus 2xy is plus 4xy. So this entire you can write it as x minus y whole square plus 4xy. See, x plus y whole square formula you can write it as x minus y whole square plus 4xy. So we have the value of x minus y, we have the value of xy. When we know x minus y and xy, we can find x plus y whole square. How means? Just substitute x minus y means 4 here, 4 square. xy means 21 here. 4 square is how much here? 16. 4 21s are how much here? 84. For 84, if you add 16, you are getting 100. So, x plus y whole square is 100. If you want x plus y, then it is square root of 100. Square root of 100 you can take it as 10. No need of writing plus. It is 10. So, you got the value of x plus y now. What you got? You got the value of x plus y. So, when you know x minus y and xy, we can find what? X plus y. It is one equation which you got it. Now what you have to do is, we will go for x cube minus y cube formula. X cube minus y cube. So I am writing here x cube minus y cube formula, x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. It is formula for x cube minus y cube. Already in 8th and 9th you have a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So same formula, but there ab are there, we converted into x and y and we wrote here. Now this x minus y as it is I am writing. Here what I am doing is x square plus xy plus y square as it is I written. Here I am adding xy and I am subtracting xy. I am adding one xy, I am subtracting one xy. Okay. So these two will be cancelled and it is as same as this one or not. Plus xy minus xy will be cancelled. You have this one. I did not change anything. Plus xy minus xy added. Now x minus y as it is and here x square plus xy. These two if I added, I am getting plus 2xy plus y square minus xy is there here. Now this entire you can write it as x minus y, okay. These three terms get together, you can write as x plus y whole square. Okay, minus xy. Now, wherever x minus y is there, what you can write? 4, very good. X plus y is there, what you can write? 10, 10 square. xy is there, you can write 21. So, the values which we know we substituted in this one. Next what we have to do? 4, okay. 10 square is 100 minus 21. So here 4, okay. 100 minus 21. 100 minus 20 is 80. 100 minus 21 is 79. So you have to write here 79. 79 into 4. 4 9s are 36, 6 3. 4 7s are 28 plus 3, 360. So what you got is, you got the value of x cube minus y cube as a 316. Hope that you understood. To do these problems, first we have to by heart all the identities which you have in 8th and 9th. If you won't do hard work, you won't get it. Okay. Now we will continue with the remaining one. So remaining is, in last class I said 99 whole cube how you can do? 102 whole cube. 102 whole cube. So he is asking to simplify by using suitable identity. By using suitable identity. So here, so many students what they will do is they will write 102 into 102. They will do multiplication. 2 2s are 4, 0, 2 1s are 2. Again 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, 1. And they will add here. So you got something like this. Again into 102 they will do. 2 4s are 8, 0, 2 4s are 8, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Again 1, 4, 0, 4, 0, 1. So 8, 0, 12, 2, 1, 1, 6, 0, 1. So you are getting some answer like this, you got it. They will write this answer as in the examination. So you won't get half mark also. They will strike off entire, because in question they given that you had to use suitable identity. You have done normal multiplication. So it is wrong only. Now what you have to do is, identity means 102 you can write as 100 plus 2 whole cube. 100 plus 2 is 102 only. 102 cube are written as 100 plus 2 whole cube. So it is for seeing purpose, it is like in the form of a plus b whole cube. So we should know the formula for a plus b whole cube. A cube plus 3a square b, 3ab square plus b cube. Wherever a, b are there, you have to write 102 in there. So I am writing here a cube means 100 cube. 3 into 100 square into 2. 3 into 100 into 2 square. Okay, plus 2 cube. These entire are written here. 100 cube means what you have to write is 100, 2 zeros, 2 zeros. Means it is 10 lakhs. And 3 2s are how much here? 6. Into 100 square is 10,000. And here 2 square is 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 into 100 is 1200. 2 cube is 8. 2 cube is 8. Okay. Now we have to add all these things. So here in units place you have 8. 8 are written. In tens place you have 0. All zeros only. In tens place 0 only. If you multiply you are getting 60,000. Okay. Now what you have to do is these two completed. In hundreds place you are having 2 only. 2 are written. In thousands place you have 1. 1 are written. In 10,000s place you have 6. 6 are written. And lakhs. In lakhs place you have 0. In 10 lakhs place 1. So this center if you read 10 lakhs 61,208. So these two answers are same or different sequence? It is same. You used here suitable identity you done here, and you done normal multiplication. If answer is same also, you won't get the marks. You have to do like this only. Okay. Next we will go with the next problem. See what is next problem? Factorize. Factorize. It is 8. First question. 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b 6ab square. They given like this and we have to do factorization. So first what formula we have to use? How it is? You should know about it. In this two cube terms are there. So 8a cube you can write as 2a whole cube. B cube is b cube only. Two perfect squares are there. Means it is like a cube plus b cube. So plus 3a 3a square b. So if you simplify it, 3 okay. 2a whole square is 4a square into b. 3 into 4a square into b is nothing but 12a square b. 3 4 is 12 a square b. 12a square b I written as 3 into 2a whole square into b plus 3a b square. So if you simplify this entire, 3 into 2a is 6a. 6a into b square is 6ab square. So the given question I wrote in the form of a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So if you by heart the formula, you will come to notice one formula, that is nothing but a plus b whole cube is equals to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Now if it is there like this, you can write like this. Identity means if RH is given, you can make it as LHS. The center is like RHS. So LHS how you have to write is a plus b whole cube. A means in place of a you have 2a, in place of b, b only, whole cube. So a cube means a into a into a. 2a plus b whole cube means 2a plus b into 2a plus b into 2a plus b. So this is called factorization. Factorization means I said that you have to write product of the terms. So I wrote as product of the terms. So next one. See what is the next one. They given here 8a cube minus b cube minus 12a square b plus 6ab square. So this and previous one is same, but whereas here there all plus are there, here some terms are minus. So what you have to do is 2a whole cube, okay. So this how I have to write is minus, write down b cube, okay, minus 3a square b 3a b square. So if you see, I see this and this are same. If you expand, you are getting this as this question. Now what you have to do is, you have to remember one formula for a minus b whole cube. A minus b whole cube formula write down. A cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus minus b cube. A cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. It is a cube, it is minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So same. So if it is there like this, you can write like this. So a minus b whole cube in place of a 2a minus b whole cube. So this is the answer. 2a minus b into 2a minus b into 2a minus b. So I wrote as product of the terms. Main is formula, you should know it. Otherwise you can't do these problems. Now one more problem. How to do factorization? What is that? Is here see 1 minus 64a cube minus 12a plus 48a square is given here. So again, perfect cubes are there here and here. 1 can be written as 1 cube. 64a cube you can write as 4a whole cube. Okay, you have to write 3a square b, 3ab square. Minus 3a square b. A square b is 4a. Plus 3a b square. Like this. If you expand, you have to get original terms. 1 cube means 1 into 1 into 1. 3 times if you multiply, you are getting 1. 4a whole cube is nothing but 64a cube. Its sign is minus, minus is 1. Now come here. 1 square is 1. 3 4s is 12a. Minus 12a. You got it. 4a whole square, if you expand, you are getting 16a square. 16a square into 3 is 48a square. So everything with symbol, it is correct. So you can write this as, it is like a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Its a formula is nothing but a minus b whole cube. If you compare this and this one, in place of a you have 1, in place of b you have 4a. So 1 minus 4a whole cube means 1 minus 4a, again 1 minus 4a. 1 minus 4a into 1 minus 4a into 1 minus 4a. So like this you can do remaining. So we will see remaining in the next.